So just before I go to bed, I just got a question. Because I be seeing so much stuff on news and social media. Why y'all got to have the married man's baby though? Like, if you want to mess around with married men, or, you know, fall in love with a married man, or have sex with a married man, why you got to get pregnant and have his baby though? That's the part I don't get. Why you got to have the man's baby? His wife already tried that. She had a baby thinking he was safe. If it didn't work with the woman he got down on one knee for, it is not going to work for you, the side piece. Why y'all got to have a married man's baby? You silly